Welcome to a world where technology is reshaping the face of business. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: generative AI. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is generative AI? It's a captivating technology that's like a skilled artist, but for data. Just like an artist takes a blank canvas and creates something from nothing, generative AI takes raw data and uses it to predict and create new, unique data. This could be anything from images to sounds, animations, and even written text. Imagine you're writing a sentence and you pause, unsure of what word to use next. Generative AI is like a helpful friend that steps in, suggesting the perfect word to complete your sentence. It does this by using large language models trained to predict the next word, based on the context provided by the words you've already written. But for generative AI to be effective, it needs to be taught, much like a student. And the lessons it learns come from training data. The quality and diversity of this data are crucial. It's like the difference between studying from a well-written, comprehensive textbook versus a poorly written, incomplete one. The better the training data, the better the generative AI's performance. And just like any good student, generative AI doesn't stop learning once it's done with school. It continues to learn and adapt to new scenarios, improving iteratively through continuous feedback. However, the journey of creating these models isn't without its challenges. There are hurdles like scaling compute infrastructure and obtaining high-quality data. But with the right approach, these can be overcome. So that's generative AI in a nutshell, but how can it boost your business success? Let's explore. Now, you may be wondering how generative AI can help your business. Well, the possibilities are vast. Imagine having a tool that can generate ideas, create content, and even predict trends. That's what generative AI can do. Let's delve into how this technology can boost business success. Firstly, generative AI can enhance the customer experience. It can be used to create personalized content, tailor-made for each customer. For instance, it can generate product recommendations based on a customer's past purchases or browsing behavior, making them feel valued and understood. It's like having a personal shopper for every customer, but in the digital world. Next, generative AI can streamline operations. It can automate routine tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic aspects of the business. For instance, generative AI can draft emails or reports, schedule meetings, or even manage your social media posts. It's like having an efficient assistant who never sleeps. But that's not all. Generative AI can also drive innovation. It can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent to the human eye. This can lead to the discovery of new business opportunities or the development of innovative products and services. It's like having a team of expert analysts working round the clock to keep your business ahead of the curve. Finally, generative AI can help improve decision-making. By predicting future trends and outcomes based on historical data, it can provide valuable insights that can inform your business strategies. It's like having a crystal ball that provides a glimpse into the future, helping you make informed decisions today. Clearly, generative AI is a game changer. But how exactly can you incorporate it into your business? Stay tuned. Incorporating generative AI into your business might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Imagine an AI-powered chatbot that can respond to customer queries in real time, providing 24/7 support. No more waiting times for your customers, and you can ensure they get the help they need whenever they need it. That's the power of generative AI. Picture this: your business is a retail clothing store. With generative AI, you can create a virtual shopping assistant that can recommend outfits based on each customer's style preferences and purchase history. It can even predict what items a customer might want to buy in the future, allowing you to stock up accordingly and reduce the risk of running out of popular items. Or perhaps you're in the marketing field. Generative AI can help you personalize your marketing campaigns, tailoring content to each customer's interests and behavior. A customer who loves outdoor activities might receive content about hiking gear, while a customer who enjoys cooking might see content about the latest kitchen gadgets. This level of personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. But it's not just about customer-facing applications. Generative AI can also be used for predictive analysis, helping you forecast market trends, identify potential risks, and make more informed decisions. For instance, if you're in the real estate industry, you could use generative AI to predict which neighborhoods are likely to become popular in the future, allowing you to invest wisely. As you can see, there are countless ways to incorporate generative AI into your business, whether you're in retail, marketing, real estate, or any other industry. The key is to start small, experiment, and gradually expand your use of AI as you gain more experience and confidence. But remember, while generative AI can offer many benefits, it's not a magic bullet. It requires careful planning and management, and it's important to continuously monitor and adjust your AI models to ensure they're performing effectively and ethically. With generative AI, you can take your business to new heights, but it's not without its challenges. Every innovation brings its own set of challenges. Generative AI is no exception. One of the major challenges in implementing generative AI lies in the realm of infrastructure. These AI models are data-hungry and computationally intensive. They require a robust and scalable infrastructure to handle the sheer volume of data and computational power needed for training. Without this, the efficiency and effectiveness of the models can be significantly compromised. But there's a silver lining here. Thanks to advancements in cloud computing, businesses can now access scalable, flexible, and cost-effective solutions. So, even if you don't have massive on-premises servers, you can still harness the power of generative AI. Another significant challenge is obtaining high-quality, diverse data for training. Remember, the quality of the output is only as good as the input. If the training data is limited or biased, the AI will struggle to generate valuable results. Now you might be wondering, how can I source diverse and high-quality data? Well, there are numerous ways. You can leverage open-source datasets, collaborate with partners for data sharing, or use data augmentation techniques to increase the diversity of your existing data. But overcoming these challenges isn't a one-and-done deal. Generative AI, like any other technology, needs continuous feedback and iterative improvements. It's not enough to set up the model and let it run. You need to constantly monitor its performance, provide feedback, and make necessary adjustments. This way, you ensure that your AI model adapts to changing scenarios and continues to deliver valuable results. In the end, it's worth remembering that these challenges aren't roadblocks, but stepping stones. They provide valuable learning opportunities that can help you optimize your AI model's performance and maximize its potential. Overcoming these challenges is crucial to leveraging the full potential of generative AI. The future of business is here, and it's powered by generative AI. This mighty technology is set to revolutionize the way we operate, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation and growth. Imagine a world where AI can create entirely new products, designs, or ideas based on your unique business needs. From generating novel marketing strategies to creating customized consumer products, the possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Generative AI is not just about automating tasks, it's about sparking creativity and innovation, fueling the engine of progress in ways we've never seen before. But it's not just about what's to come. The future is happening now. Businesses that embrace generative AI today are already reaping the benefits, staying ahead of the curve in an increasingly competitive market. By harnessing the power of generative AI, these forward-thinking enterprises are not merely surviving. They're thriving, setting new standards of excellence and efficiency. And yet, it's not only the business giants who stand to gain. Generative AI holds tremendous potential for small and medium enterprises too. It democratizes innovation, leveling the playing field and offering every business, regardless of its size, the chance to compete and succeed. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As we move towards this exciting future, we must also consider the ethical implications of generative AI. We must strive to use this technology responsibly, ensuring it serves the greater good, and not just the bottom line. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, the question is not whether generative AI will transform the business landscape, that's a given. The question is, will you be part of that transformation? Will you seize the opportunities it offers, or will you be left behind? The future of business is no longer a distant dream. It's here, and it's powered by generative AI. So are you ready to boost your business success with generative AI? The future is in your hands. Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.